juice? Is that good? Say it's good. Yeah. It's good. Are they still off those teepees?
There's too many things on Wednesday nights.
Mm-hmm. More? You want more? Uh-oh, you're gonna drop it.
Do you have anything recording tonight? Like for your show?
No. Uh-huh. Say mum. Mum. I didn't show those teepees. Let me see those teeth. Well, yeah, that teeth hurts. Let me see that teepee. Let me see it. There they are. See, yeah, there they are. They hurt. See, they hurt now. No more juice? Yeah. Yeah. See, my tooth is showing. Look, my tooth is showing. Here, you use it. Okay. That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. Yeah. You don't get juice that way. Silly. So you can't get juice out of it that way. Turn it around. Here. Mommy show you. Like this. And like this. And we drink it. Oh. Say no, we don't drink it, we throw it. That's not how you get juice out of it. No. Silly. Ah. So that is not how we get juice. No. No, it's not. No, it's not. No juice comes out of it that way. Here, flip it around. Chew on it. There. There. That's how you get juice. That's how you get juice out of it. Yeah. That's not how you get juice out of it. No. Well, get it. I can't reach it with my belly. No, I can't reach it with my belly. Good job. Yay. Good job. You did it. Yeah. You did it. Yeah. Can you tip it up and get juice, or are you just chewing on it? You're doing it. That's a good job. Yeah. You're such a big boy. Yeah. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you tell the camera bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.